Welcome back to another episode of Bellevue Eats. Today we're at Westport, a commercial fishing port on the Washington coast, also known for a Dungeness crab industry hub. Today Captain Greg's gonna take us on his boat and show us what it's like to have a day in the life of a crabber. So let's get crabbing. Washington's Dungeness crab is world class. Every year, around 20 million pounds of it is harvested from the Washington coast and the Puget Sound, making it one of the world's largest commercial fisheries for Dungeness crab. Before it ends up on a plate, it starts out here on the cold Pacific waters.
So the female has a beehive. The males have a lighthouse.
And in Washington State, you can only keep the males, right?
You can only keep the males. So all females, even if they're legal size, have to get returned. So a lot of crabs are measured from the whitest part, but Dungeness have this nice convenient spot
So
to hold your crab. So this one's a keeper.
That one's a keeper.
And its shell's hard, so it's full of meat, so it's ready to go.
Look at that. We caught some of the freshest Dungeness crab and we're gonna go back to the beach and cook these up for dinner. There's something really special about cooking seafood where it came from. You can hear the ocean, smell the salt air. You just can't get much fresher than that. All right, so we're gonna start cooking. One of the first things I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna kill the crab before steaming it. And how I was taught to do that is open this little spot right here. I know it's trying to pinch me. And then you just stab it in and you pull it back. And it kills the nerves instantly. Then I can open it up. Look at that. That looks like a beautiful piece of crab. All right, we're just gonna straight go ahead and drop this in. And we're gonna put a lid on top, which is gonna be a half sheet tray for today. So now we got the kewpie, ponzu, and green onion, and we're just gonna mix this up super easy, and just like that, it's a delicious dipping sauce. Look at that. Look at those beautiful colors. So this is the Dungeness crab that you got. I cooked it in some shiro dashi, which is a dashi powder or a dashi liquid with soy sauce. And then this is a dipping sauce. It's kewpie, Japanese mayo, and ponzu. So it's got that citrusy bite and some green onions. What do you think?
That is amazing.
That's pretty good. Did I pass the test?
Yes.
Oh, look at that. The freshest Dungeness crab that you can get right here. But you know, now we found out what we can do, but I wanna go check out some of the chefs in Bellevue because we have some incredible talent and they're gonna be cooking us some Dungeness crab for us. So let's go see what they got. We're at Baron's Sino Kitchen and Bar in downtown Bellevue, a modern Chinese cuisine well known for their Peking duck. Baron's is also leaving an impression with the Bellevue Crab Week menu offerings. Let's go take a look. Hi.
Hi.
Nice to meet you.
Meet you.
My name's Shota.
My name's Paul.
Paul?
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. How you doing?
Hey.
Nice to meet you. I heard you guys have a beautiful Crab Week offering going on today.
Yes, we do. So to celebrate Bellevue Crab Week, we would like to show you how we make our rendition of chili crabs. Come and take a look.
I love that. Let's go check it out. Look at this beautiful kitchen.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
And since you have a big control.
Big kitchen.
Yeah, Chinese food.
Yeah, I love it. I can smell the crab from back here.
Turn the fire down. Fire down.
Crab down.
Yeah.
So you turn the heat down so the meat cooks a little bit more gently because you got that nice aroma to come out already. And look at that. So that chili sauce, so what he's doing now is getting that chili sauce, green onion, ginger, chili, all those aromatics to come out in that oil. Look at this. My monstrous plating. Oh, look at this whole crab. I was gonna call some friends to eat this with, but I think I'm gonna be a little selfish about it with my bowl of rice. Oh man, I can smell it. All right, I'm gonna do a good bite. The good bite is gonna consist of crab meat. Look at that. So full and juicy. And I wish you guys could smell what I'm smelling right now because it smells absolutely delicious. This is called the crab miso. It's one of the most delicious parts of the crab, so do not skip on this. I like to add a little bit onto my meat. I'm gonna add a little piece of green onion, and look at that perfect bite. So you got some of the miso, a little green onion. Look at that perfect bite. I mean, the aroma of the crab because you fry it, and the ginger, the garlic, the green onion. It's one of those classic dishes just done well. Absolutely delicious. And that's our deep dive into Dungeness crab, one of Washington's most iconic seafood traditions, full of flavor, sweet aroma, and a tender texture. Thanks for joining us on Bellevue Eats, and I'll catch you next time.